He might be the wickedest man in the whole of Jamaica. But you're still an idiot. A lie. So you man him name your food dog? No, me not really said that. But me did think it in my mind. If you may read the mind and I look around and say, what? Yeah man. Head food. This really tastes good man. Rastafari. Nah man, how you talk about? Me just put some items through together. Zit. Me just if you suck off my finger them. Dog you can cook. Me just wish my plate them big and press. You have to taste this. You know if you stay slim and trim as a girl, no, so when I help her eating, just eat a little beanie something at a time because you have to stay sexy. You know you go already. I guess that about leave me up on a different levels than my youth. Or some people in denial, or me don't even know what. Oh, nothing. Master Shifu. Oh, you feel fit it down when you're overweight and you're not trained. You know no skills, what? After me son in the country and you know in your ankle and claims you don't want to be the Jamaican dragon warrior. Look by your ears, them will look like real elephant. Mad thing. Yeah? If you ears them, I saw them stay. Yo, dog, a Shifu. Me know say a big ear Shifu. Ras, Master Shifu. Oh no, he ain't no dirty teeth. And Thailand just escape from prison, but me Rasi is big. What? He say my real bad man and my come fi run the place and y'all alone can't tap him. And look at me there laugh to you and say you can't run joke. Me can't fight. Me not know. Oh, I go. Me don't know how to fight. Master who get the tap him can't tap him again. No, he cannot. Not anymore. Huh? Only man can tap him. I dragon warrior. Oh, Panda? Yes, the Panda. Master, I'm a top Thailand. Can I come from prison? He can't resist the body. No! I don't fear destiny if you defeat Thailand. Hear that? I feel him. When God. Chop it! Come here! See me ya! Hold on, buddy, hold on by my side, Gwenna! Your sexiness, yeah. Oh. Me worst nightmare. Hey girl, we're dragon warrior there. You know some sexy, I look pan her. Tell girl you think me a fool. Me know say no a dragon warrior. What not chat about? Oh, you know that? So say boy drop from sky like a ball of fire. Ride that donkey through volcano. Show me head and alligator mouth. I aim me one buck where name. Rawpa. Oh, that a punk name. Ooh. Finally, a real match. Real bad man, me go fight. The match I go legendary. Hey, girl, you know bad, none at all. I'm going to pop off your neck. Pull up quick. Me got it, man, me got it. You ras, yo. Tired girl, boy, a dragon warrior. Want to you. Come here, your blood clot. Cat pass style. To me, oh man, your face you can blood clot beat this. Dirty boy. Yo, dog, me can hold this to help her. Hey, girl, man, we kick you like a ball. I want you. Free kick. Hold on, Empress, now come for you. Pick it, boy. You can't be a serpent. Monkey. One. Selassie, help the eye. Don't be back down what you do. Your son calling. pussy. Have that. Time but me can turn in blood clot. Come it. Selassie. Rise against Selassie, you shall die. Good work, Natty Dread. Yeah, see, we name me boy food. Talking us, see pussy no dead. I'm a body's blood clotting boy, yeah. A boy, she footage on no good. But in that age, you no good enough.